Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Chef Mike. We got a real good one for you today. This is Chef Mike grilled chicken Caesar salad. Thanks for tuning into this channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, my friends. Will you turn on that post notification button to be notified of any new videos that we may have? Also, share this video with your family and friends. All the ingredients are gathered together. We've got our fresh romaine lettuce. We've got our fresh red onions, our wonderful croutons, and our Parmesan cheese, along with some cranberries and some pepper. Also, I have my Caesar dressing here. I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken started in the Power XL air fryer. It only takes about 10 minutes while our chicken is cooking. We're going to go ahead and get started with our ingredients here. We're going to cut up our romaine lettuce, a nice fresh romaine lettuce. I'm going to cut it in bite-sized morsels. Go ahead and put that in the big mixing bowl. We got that in that mixing bowl. We're going to go ahead and mix our Caesar dressing in. Of course, you go ahead and stir that in really nicely. Sort of like tossing it a little bit, getting it all over the lettuce nice and evenly. You can have a taste of Caesar flavor all over your salad. Wonderful. While I got that in there, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my Parmesan cheese. At least most of it. Save a little bit in there for to top it off. Put that all in nicely. Also going to go ahead and put some of my cranberries in it, at least half. Mix those in and leave some for garnish on the top. Everyone don't put cranberries in their Caesar salad. This is Chef Mike's recipe. Alright, I'm also going to go ahead and add my pepper. Sprinkle all of my pepper in. Put a nice little bite to it. Don't really need salt because you got that salt flavor will come from your Parmesan cheese. That will really balance out the flavor. I'm going to go ahead and put our salad mixture into the bowl, into our serving bowl. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and grab my chicken. Is done. So what we have on the chicken there is a little paprika, a little pepper, a little garlic, just a little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon pepper. I'm going to go ahead and cut these up into bite-sized morsels. And I'm going to put them into the bowl here. Same bowl that I had the lettuce in. All right. Get the very last of the Caesar dressing that I have here. Get that stirred up. Get that dressing on to some of my chicken. Remember, I got some flavor already on the chicken. My seasonings: paprika, garlic, with salt and pepper, a little lemon pepper. So we cooked it into that air fryer. Now, go ahead and put my chicken, place it throughout my Caesar salad. This fragrance is so delicious. I can smell the Caesar. I can smell the succulent flavors coming out of the meat and the dressing. You would love this recipe. Okay, so now that I've got my lettuce all, I'm going to go ahead and put my onions. Just going to put a few on it for garnish. And then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of our cheese. Most of it right on top there. Beautiful. And we're going to put some of our crouton. Oh my, very healthy, very delicious. Going to top it off with some cranberries for garnish. So there you have it, my friend. Chef Mike's grilled chicken Caesar salad. Fresh, delicious, scrumptious, tasty. I've got to just try this piece of chicken. My. Can't wait to sit down and have this whole bowl full of salad for myself. I'd like to share it with you. I want to thank you for tuning in to this channel, my friend. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of any upcoming videos that we may have. Also, share this video with your family and your friends. It's going to make your taste buds clap their hands.